In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear center upper control arms on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the rear suspension. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. That off, grab the wheel and pull it off. On the bar there is two clips. You just want to take a straight blade screwdriver, pocket screwdriver, pop these off. They're just retainers holding the wire on. Pop those clips off. Take this bolt out, use a 18mm socket. That's out, that's loose. Now we're going to loosen this nut and bolt. Use an 18mm wrench, 18mm socket. Take that nut out and pull the bolt out. Grab the arm and it comes right out. Take the upper arm, get that lined up. Take that bolt, push that through. Now take the nut, get that started. Before we tighten that down, we're going to put the other bolt in. Get this lined up. Get this bolt started. All right, get that so it's not quite all the way down. You just want it loose. We gotta raise up the suspension before we tighten these down. Now underneath, I'm just gonna use a pull jack. Just raise up the suspension. Bring it as close to ride height as possible. Now tighten this down. Snug that down. Now I'm going to torque this bolt to 76 foot-pounds. Now tighten this one down. Now we'll torque this to 76 foot-pounds. Now lower the pull jack. And move that out of the way. Take the ABS wire bracket. Get that lined up. And lock that down. Now I'll put the wheel on. Get that lined up. Get the lug stud started. The other one's on, snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.